Welcome back, friends. The first thing you need to do as far as this tutorial is concerned is to make page size of 1080 pixels by 1080 pixels. Having done that, next thing you have to do is to go to your toolbar and select your rectangle. Then you come to the Corel work area to make a rectangle. Next, select your pick tools, your sharp tools. You come here and drag. Next, then you double click on the rectangle on the shape like this. Then go to the menu bar, type 45 degree, then press enter. Next, on your keyboard, press Ctrl Z. Then Ctrl V to make a duplicate. Then all you have to do next is to go back to your menu bar and rotate mirror horizontal. Now you drag this with your Control key, snap to this object here. Good. And I'm going to zoom out. Next thing I'm going to do here is to take my pen tools and you make a path. Another part at this point here. Next, you group everything together. And I'll grab my zoom tool and zoom in. Next, I'll press P to centralize. At this point here, what I need here again now is to make sure to locate the center point of this shape. What I'm going to do next is to double click on the rectangle here to create a page border. Then I'll grab my ruler, vertical ruler, then snap to the object, then horizontal ruler, snap. And at this point here, I'm going to move this with my arrow key. I'll move it to the top. Next, I'll go to my shape tools and select my ellipse tools or circle. Then I'll make a circle. Then I'll press P to centralize the circle. So at this point now, I need to make a rotation. You have to click on the middle of the shape. Then the rotation pin here, you drag it to the center. So you make sure it snaps to the center. Next, you have to go back to your object. Then look for transformation. From transformation, look for rotate at this point here. So a rotation marker is going to pop up here. Next thing I'm going to do is to grab my calculator. You have to do, if you are using window, you get your calculator from this point here. So here's my calculator. So what I'm going to do at this point here is to type my 360 then divided by 4 and equals. So I'm going to have 90 angle degree. So I'll come here and type my 90 degree. Then I will leave the shape to the 4. Now click on apply. Everything will rotate around the shape. So what I'm going to do next now, I'm going to delete this. All my guide ruler, I'm going to delete everything. Next, I'll zoom out the entire shape. Next step I'm going to take is to come down below here and grab my smart fill. Then I'll fill the shape. Then I'll press my shift key on my keyboard, and from the menu bar here I'll select wedge. So I apply the same thing to every shape. Then I'll select everything. I have to zoom in. And I'll select everything. I'll come here and right click on this icon to remove the stroke. Finally, I will apply the color. At this point here, I will apply red. Here also, I'll apply red. And I'll choose sky blue. Finally, I'm done with my creative logo. So we can type the name of the logo at the bottom here. Just type logo design. Then we can choose first type. Choosing Roboto medium. Then I'm choosing gray for the color. I'm going to select everything. Then I will just scroll from the menu bar. Finally, I will align the logo name with the logo. So what I'm going to do is to press Shift key on my keyboard and press C from the keyboard. So this is how you make a professional creative logo in CorelDraw. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video in CorelDraw. Thank you for watching my video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.